Here at the shower dock, every day we receive emails and phone calls from people that have faults with their electric showers. And so what we're about to do here is run through the top 5 faults with electric showers and give you some idea of where to look to find where the problem is with the shower. At number 5, the water is tepid or there's just not enough power in the shower. The reason the shower has become tepid, or indeed there's not enough power from it, is perhaps because of this little chap here, the micro switch. This may have burnt out inside and not be allowing the power through to the elements. Or indeed it could be an element itself. This is what the inside looks like, and basically one of the elements is burnt out and the shower's only working at half power. There should be a link up here somewhere that explains this in more detail. At number 4, the shower is going hot and cold. If your shower is going hot and cold, it's usually caused by not enough water getting to the shower. So first of all, check that the valve coming into your house is fully open and the valve on the line to the shower is fully open. If they're both fully open, then it could be a problem with the flow valve that actually comes into the shower. Looks something like this, a fairly simple one, and these are slightly more complicated valves. It could be one of these that's causing the problem and needs replaced. At number 3, the shower is absolutely cold. If your shower is absolutely cold, what could be causing it is this chap here. It's a thermal cutout, TCO. And what happens is that if the shower overheats, it cuts the power off to the elements. If the shower overheats only a little, it cuts it off and it resets. But if this keeps happening over and over again, or indeed the shower gets far too hot, it cuts out completely, and this will need replaced. We have a video that shows you how to check these, and there should be a link on the screen. At number 2, there is water coming from the bottom of the shower. If you find there's water coming from the bottom of your shower, it may very well be that the PRD has activated. These are these kind of things here that all of the manufacturers have them, and they're slightly different the way that they do them, but mostly it's a ball inside that gets ejected when the pressure builds up inside the heating tank. What normally causes this is that the shower head is blocked or the hose is kinked. We have a video, there should be a link on the screen, that explains this in more detail. At number 1, there is no water coming from the shower at all, or it stops and starts. This is it, the number 1 fault with electric showers, the solenoid valve. If you find the shower stops working completely, or indeed cuts off, very often cuts off whenever you've got soap in your hair and no water, this is the cause of it. This is the culprit, the solenoid valve. It's usually this part, the coil, and the coil breaks down, and what this does is it lifts a plunger inside the solenoid valve and allows the water into the shower. When the coil breaks down, the water stops running, and that's what causes the problem. We have a video that explains how to test and check a solenoid valve and how to replace that. You'll find a link on the screen that will take you to that video. So there you go, the 5 most common faults with electric showers. If you want to see more of these videos, just subscribe to our channel or keep in touch with us on Facebook and Twitter.